On yesterday's show, Rube Man commented, "I was about to drink Americano instead of espresso. Welcome back." Well, Mr. Rube, you've discovered our secret. Add a bit of crypto hot water and crypto espresso becomes crypto Americano. And if you're the one to perform those steps, Rube becomes Brew Man. But enough brewing tips, we're a crypto news show, not a coffee discussion. It's Wednesday and you know what that means. It's news. It's always news. First up, MicroStrategy has revealed that it snapped up another 301 Bitcoin for $6 million. But is it really a dip when the dip keeps dipping? The latest investment is already underwater by $300,000 since MicroStrategy spent an average of $19,851 per coin. The company is continuing to bet big on Bitcoin even after Michael Saylor took a step back as CEO to become executive chairman. Over time, the company has spent $3.97 billion on amassing 130,000 Bitcoin, but as of the time of writing, the stockpile is worth only $2.45 billion. Earlier this month, the company revealed that it was planning to sell up to $500 million of Class A shares, and part of the proceeds could be used to, well, you guessed it, snap up more crypto. MicroStrategy's stock price closed down 4.6% on Tuesday. The US is considering a 2-year ban on algorithmic stablecoins, according to Bloomberg. Proposed legislation aims to target digital assets like UST, which collapsed spectacularly earlier this year. The law would make it illegal to create endogenously collateralized stablecoins, whose value is solely based on different digital assets held by the same issuer. Whereas many stablecoins in the market are backed by US dollars held in reserve, UST's peg was directly linked to a sister altcoin called Luna. Both UST and Luna collapsed back in May, causing investors to lose tens of billions of dollars. According to Bloomberg, plans are also in place to give banks and non-banks the ability to issue their own stablecoins. And finally, Twitch has announced that it's going to start clamping down on crypto gambling content. From October 18th, live broadcasts of slots, roulette, and dice games on sites including stake.com, rollbit.com, and duelbits.com will be prohibited. Some streamers have boasted of receiving more than $1 million a month in sponsorship from stake.com, but there have been fears that the prominence of crypto gambling sites has led to some users losing substantial amounts of money or developing addictions. Some top Twitch stars have threatened to boycott the site unless action was taken. Earlier this month, one streamer admitted he had scammed fans and other Twitch users out of $200,000 to fund an addiction to betting on Counter-Strike Global Offensive. And speaking of globally offensive, tuck in that shirt. You look like a slob. Brush that hair and put on some deodorant. Also, like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on that little bell icon to get buzzed whenever a new Crypto Espresso video goes live. Well, what'd you think about today's episode? Let us know in those comments below because I read them and I shout out my favorites in the next episode. And while you're down there, be sure to ask Alex in the description below for more info on today's headlines or crypto in general. Alex is a great resource for all things Web3 and the metaverse. And that does it for today. Again, I've been your host, Andrew, and join us tomorrow for more exciting crypto news.